Hello, Extended Essay Supervisors. It's me, Miss Snow. I want to take you through the next few steps for supervising your extended essay writer, and hopefully this will clear up where it is that you can go for resources. So you can arrive at the Media Center page, hopefully by having had it bookmarked all of these years, but just in case, we do have a new shortcut, and it is bit.ly/seqhsmc. When you bookmark it, it does give you this little purple favicon right here, so it makes it easy to find. The students always click right here by going to extended essay, but for you all, you'll click on research and then click on the supervising the extended essay page instead. So to log into ManageBack, again, you can click here, open it in a new tab. And for this next task, what should have been done is your student that you can find by going to IB Manager, Class of 2024. Under the Extended Essay tab, your student should have a worksheet that is reflecting where they are. Topic/subject area should be finalized, and their research question should be finalized as well by this point. It's vital this is done now so that the IB office can register them for the appropriate category of their extended essay. This year, we asked them to go to the researcher's reflection space and upload their notes for their oral defense, along with an audio version that you should listen to before the next meeting. You will see that you do have to download it. And then
Hi, Miss Snow.
looking forward, I want you to know that there's a little bit of help here in terms of research questions, citation tools, subject videos that were provided by other schools, and some sample essays. The students don't necessarily have access to all of this right here, but it's helpful for you. And what's most important is that you have read the subject guide for your student. So by clicking on subject guide, I can see over here that there's studies in language and literature, but I need to open the arrow to get to the choice of topic, the treatment of topic, etc. If you're wondering, where's my student's subject area guide for history, that is under individuals and society, and you'll see that we have all of these guides here: history, philosophy, psychology, etc. Please reach out if you have any questions. It is expected that you have read this and that you understand your student's placement in the appropriate subject guide. Looking ahead, I will show you that it would be great if you could have a colleague of yours join you in this extended essay supervisor process, so you can show them this video here. And let's go ahead and look at what we've done so far. So in April, you met with your students and you had a meeting using these questions as your guide, and then hopefully you approved your student's writing. The student was supposed to fill in the reflection, not you. You just had to approve the topic, and hopefully you were able to look at the directions here in the Tango, which you can open on your own. It's worthwhile right now, if you haven't done so yet, to look at your relationship as defined by IB to make sure you understand what's acceptable. It's acceptable to have check-ins that are not formal, but the interim meeting and the final viva voce are considered formal sessions, and I want to make sure you don't spend more than 5 hours total with the student over the 10-month period. Finally, we have the assessment criteria, because you will be receiving a complete draft from them in exactly a month. And it's important that you remember what you can do, which is you can ask large driving questions, but you should not be checking their spelling, you should not be moving paragraphs around, etc. Once the essay is due, then we have our viva voce, which happens after the essay has been submitted, and then you will enter your reflection in ManageBack, which is a video here, along with a form to predict a grade, and I'll go over that again closer to the date. Should you want to see past essays, you have examples linked at that bottom button. Please do not share these with the students, but this will give you an example of what was submitted along with how it was graded. Per usual, please reach out if you have any questions, and again, thank you for supporting these students.